This is Dantro.outdoors, just starting my first video on the Ford F3. 4 litre diesel engine, a bit engine swap from the original V8 petrol is what I think it would have had in originally. Already started on the cab, just taking the dash out and some of the wiring ready to strip out. Hard to see, but the floors are not in too bad nick, a bit rusty but not as bad as I thought it was going to be for its age. It's a 1949 Ford F3. This is actually the truck F3, not the pickup. You can probably tell from the size of it. So it needs relining, roof's in a bit of a mess. Shouldn't be too hard to do. Have a look online, do some research on the best way to patch it up, that kind of thing. The main chassis needs a bit of work, quite rusty, so that's the plan. Strip the cab off, take the cab off, get this red leaded, get it protected again and spray her up, probably go black, same as original. Quite heavy leaf springs, so I don't know what it was rated to originally, but carry some weight. It does have dual split rims, so that's going to be a bit more interesting. Supposedly quite dangerous to mess with, but be good to learn. I was looking at actually switching the dualies out for some newer rims, but the stud pattern's only 5, so it might mean actually changing the axle or get some plain cut rims, so it might end up costing too much to do, so just have to learn how to change that one. Standard front grille on it, quite a lot of bodywork to do here. Probably end up plating most of it. I'm not too confident on actually remaking the panels, so we'll see how that goes. Be good to learn, I've done it before. So these aftermarket lights have been put on, it has been rewired, very basic, does work. The original lights don't work, but the extra stuff that's been put on does. Runs well, all the gears work well. It's idling a little bit low, so it does rattle quite a lot on tick over, but something to look at. Sure, I can sort that out on the injection pump somehow. A few oil leaks, but nothing major. Should be a pretty relatively easy fix. Seat's gone, so needs relining. Might even actually double up the height of the seat. It's very cramped in the driver's seat, so try and give you a bit more distance from the pedals. That's my idea with that.